Installing fence posts in a straight line can be really challenging. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy way to make sure every single fence post is in line with one another. Using this method can be the difference between having fence posts that are not in line and fence posts that are in line. So you can see here we've got a ton of fence posts. We've got about 120 feet here of fence posts, and every single one of them is bang on line. So to make sure that my fence posts are perfectly in line, I use a two-string method. Now my posts are installed, so I've got both strings set up here, but the first string that I set up is this marker string line down the bottom here. And this is going to allow me to measure from this line to the center of my post holes. In this case, it was a foot. It allowed me to dig the hole without interfering with the string, because you start interfering with the string when you're trying to do a straight line, and your string line might not be straight anymore. Once I've got all my holes dug and they're all 12 inches roughly on center from the string line, I can move on to my next step. So the first thing you do is put two fence posts in. You put your end post in first, and you measure some distance off of this fence post to this string line. For me, it happened to be about 10 inches on either side. That means that we know this fence post is 10 inches off this line, and the other fence post is 10 inches off this line. And with those two fence posts in, set, and solid, perfectly solid, we can move on to the second string line. And I would say that the second string line is key to getting your posts perfectly straight with each other. I've put a screw in here, and I've wrapped the string around this. I've then drilled this screw in until this line is an inch off this post. I've gone over to my other end post, and I put a screw in there, and I've drilled it in until the string line is 1 inch off this post. And what that allows you to do is have a perfectly straight line from this post to our other end post. And every single post in between then can be 1 inch off this string line. You don't have to touch the string line at all when setting these posts. If I were to put this string line on the face of the post and then put the next post in, and it's slightly off, it's going to make my string line push out. And if I do the same with the next one, it's going to push it out. And before you know it, you've got fence posts that are not in line. I found 1.5 inch to be the perfect dimension from the post to the string line. This one I did as an inch. I was just trialing it out, but I found 1.5 inches to be the best distance from the post. You don't want too much further than that. You don't want to do like 10 inches or anything like that. It's going to be a little bit harder to measure when you're using a tape measure and making sure the post is square before setting it. If you're looking for a good way to make sure all of your fence posts on your next fence build are in line with each other, then make sure you do it this way here, where you stage the string line off from the post a little bit. It's so much easier to work with, and it means you're not going to nudge the string line when you put the next fence post in.